So this is another one. It's a whoop whoop JD. Thank you. It's also there all over my video. I'm covering the growth. As it grows, I'm capturing it and posting the videos so we can see how the small vegetable garden goes. And this is another. This is the third one. It's only tomatoes here. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. So yeah, what JD? Yeah, that's the small garden I'm having at home. And it's a big space, so I still have more. I'm just doing stages by stages. See how it goes. So I'm capturing everything as I do it and see how it will turn out. I'm trying this whole thing. When you're at home, you get so much time. Good, nice, thank you. And then here is the little park I am trying to make here, a place of peace where I have my peace. Don't know if the phone will show it nicely because I'm using a 5 rand phone for now. Yeah, this is my little park I'm trying to build here. Make flowers and everything. And we've got a lot of stones here, Emakaya, like at home. We're privileged in that way with stones. Yeah, so I'm trying to make a little park here. And those stones, I use them to make the wall which I showed you there where I was sitting. So yeah, this is all the greenery we have here. Yeah, well, you won't see much clearly, but yeah, it's a big space. So yeah, I'm just playing with my garden here whenever I have time. Yeah, let's go back, sit down and charge. So yeah, that's the natural vibes on my side. Yeah, so later on around 8 p.m. I will start the fire, but it will be too dark. You won't be able to see it. So now I'm just gonna sit down and charge my phone. Hey, YJD, damn bro, you have a big yard. Yeah, no, we moved from the location where we're staying, like township. Then we came here just for land. Because of the land. Most people who are living in suburbs and towns like we were, they're selling those houses or renting them out for business and move into rural. Because in rural, you can get a big land, big plot for like a low price, and you can build whatever you want to build. So it's a trend which most people in rurals are doing. You have seen, it's no longer a secret now. You have seen people in building nice houses in rural because of the plot, the land you can get for under the royal house. They sell it to you, and then you have a big land, and you can build so much stuff. And if you're like me, you love nature, garden and stuff. It's a plus, it's a bonus. So yeah, it's a big land indeed. Like you can fit 3 houses here. And the yard. So yeah, no, thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate you. Yeah, I just thought I should share with you guys, man. Share with you guys because it's all these things are already in my videos. So yeah, I just thought why not share with you since what's that? Oh, it's the Wi-Fi thing. Yeah. Since you see that thing, let me tell you, it's a nice story. See this. See this. This is the aerial for the Wi-Fi. So that thing, there was a metal rod there. So the technician came, Malachi, good, nice. JD say, oh, thank you for the compliments. Thank you, nice, beautiful. Everyone says, okay, thank you very much. TK is growing his own wealth in his yard. Oh, I did one. Yeah. Yeah, man. That's the goal. That's the goal. That is the goal, man. A nice one. I didn't see that one. I had to go back and read the messages because I was busy showing you. So let me tell you a story about that. Who is it? Is it? About that road. See, I'm putting clothes there. I'm wrapping stuff there. So the technician was fixing this thing because the wind had blown it down. So they cut the rod, the metal rod, right? And it was left sharp. So I love this way because I use it to go water my gardens and stuff. So as I was passing, I hate that thing. It cut me somewhere here. There was a scar somewhere here. Hey, I was bleeding, like it was bad. So I thought, what do I do now? If me as an adult, that means even a kid, that can be dangerous for a child. So I just wrapped those things around there. Because that's the only way I thought I could protect it. So yeah, it looks a bit of a mess, but no, it's serving a purpose because I'd rather have it looking like that, as ugly as it is there, but safe. So yeah, hey, that thing, it was a danger. And goes. Thank you guys. Thank you for the likes. 6 wonderful people watching now. Okay, beautiful. Thank you for the likes.